Olix Network 18, Mission Poshan, Bhavishya Roshan.
Let's talk a little bit about the IDFC Bank Capital First merger. Rajiv Lall, the CEO of IDFC Bank, is with us. Rajiv, thanks for joining us. Now that this has come through, can you tell us exactly what is your own position in the merged entity and what is the position that Mr. Vaidyanathan would have?
So I'll be the non-executive chair and Vaidya will be the CEO.
Okay.
That's nothing has changed on that front.
All right. Can you tell us what are the synergies that this entire merger would see? What are the expected benefits going ahead?
Oh, the synergies, well, basically, IDFC Bank on a standalone basis has 2.5 million customers. CFL brings another 3.5 million customers. And it's a customer segment that is complementary to the IDFC Bank's customer segment. So we will have, as a joint enterprise, 6 million customers growing at the rate of, about 200,000-300,000 customers a month. It will allow us to very much more rapidly expand our branch network and cross-sell to a much larger customer base to build the CASA franchise.
Okay, so
CASA franchise already is growing very rapidly, but this will put it on a much faster and accelerated track of growth.
All right. So what kind of retail book growth are we looking at? We were just talking to a couple of analysts a while back and they indicated about a 25% compounded growth. Is that doable?
Yeah. So, on a standalone basis, IDFC Bank's retail book is now over 8,000 crores, going to 15,000 crores by March 31st. And CFL standalone book is, well over 26,000 crores, and that's growing at 35%. So the combined book, you can comfortably say the retail book will grow at least by 25%.
Okay, retail book will grow by 25%. How long will this entire transition phase take? When will the merger get concluded?
So now we are in the last phase of the merger process. We just have to take we have to go to the NCLT now. So we expect that process to get shareholder approval and creditor approval and such like. And we expect that process to take about 4 to 5 months.
Okay. Good morning, Dr. Lall. So when should we say 4 to 5 months? So is it September that we will, September 30th, that is the October quarter will be the merged entity?
So we can't predict because the court process is itself, how long it takes depends on how busy they are. But our expectation is that by November, we should be done.
Okay. And what have your investors been telling you? Are they happy with the way in which the merger has gone through and the way you visualize the future?
So I am on a roadshow as we speak, and I think that people who are looking for value over medium term, this is a very interesting prospect because you have the combined entity trading at just about book with a clean balance sheet, solid management, retail franchise growing very rapidly, branch network expanding very rapidly, demonstrated execution capacity both by CFL and now by IDFC Bank. And therefore, for anybody that's looking for a value play, the feedback I'm getting is that this is now looking an interesting, very interesting prospect.
Okay. All right.